Alright, well, you're looking at an ARM kit. I'm sure everybody knows what that is. Actually, this is an R4 kit. It's got the longer handguard, different gas tube, etc. But this is kind of the video I should have did first, but it's here and you can watch it. Take what you want away from it. Hell, it didn't cost you nothing. But, you know, people keep saying you should be able to take that, a screwdriver, a wad of bubble gum, and a piece of freaking pencil lead and put it together on your coffee table. I'm not saying you can't, but you're probably not going to have a good time. You know, it's a long ways from all of this till it looks something like that right there, kids. That's a long road between that and this. And personally, you're not going to do it unless you got something like that mill, a decent drill press, whatever, and a lathe, and a bunch of special tools. Anyway, so yeah, this is the first video. Sorry for the sequence, but check it out. Follow the string. Watch all the videos as you go through your build or whatever, and you'll figure it out. We're going to try to do kind of a tear down on this, or D-mill, whatever you want to call it, and show you, you know, just for the gas block, you're going to need a press. Okay, and usually a 20-ton press plus a support fixture. Oh, there goes that pencil lead theory, and it should drop together. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, we're going to kick this off here in just a bit. Stay tuned.